Hey creators, welcome to CodexNest, your ultimate creative coding playground. Today, we're diving into the world of Python. Can you believe it? The language that powers websites, automation, and AI. But wait, before we jump in, I've got a little challenge for you. What year do you think Python was created? Type your guess in the comments. Got it? It was 1991, and it's still one of the most loved languages today. Isn't that amazing? Now let's talk about Python. It's a high-level, interpreted language, which means it reads your code line by line and runs it instantly, no compiling necessary. Python is everywhere. It's powering Netflix's recommendation engine, NASA's data analysis, and even Google's internal tools. How cool is that? And guess what? It's also the go-to language for beginners because it's easy to learn, it's incredibly versatile, and it has a massive global community. Every line of Python is just filled with these incredible little building blocks called tokens, the tiniest meaningful units that make everything come alive. Let me break it down for you with a little example. So first up, we have age. It's like our identifier, our little variable name, just waiting to be filled with something special. Then we see the pop, which is an operator O. It's like the magic wand that assigns the number 18, a literal treasure. Now, let's talk about if. It's a keyword, like the gatekeeper for our conditions. And then we have chop, which compares values. It's another one of those powerful operators. Python has 5 token types, and I can't wait for you to meet them. Here we go. So, what are Python keywords, huh? They're these special reserved words that Python just gets. You can't use them as variable names, and trust me, you definitely don't want to try redefining them. They're like the very grammar of Python's language, guiding us through the coding universe. Now let's play a quick game. Can you guess what happens if I try to name a variable if plus 5? Yep, Python throws an error. Because if is a keyword used for control flow. Isn't that wild? These are types of keywords. Hey there, friends. Let's talk about identifiers. These are the names you give to variables, functions, classes, basically anything you create. It's like naming your own little creations. Now let's dive into the golden rules. Start with a letter or underscore, easy peasy. Use letters, digits, and underscores, keep it simple. And remember, they're case sensitive. Small myvar is not the same as capital myvar. And for the love of Python, never use keywords like class or if as names. Seriously, don't do it. Now let's put your instincts to the test. Is 2 students a valid identifier? Nope, it starts with a digit. How about myvar? Also, wrong hyphens aren't allowed. But private underscore var, that's totally fine. Here's a quick example for you. Name boss, Alice. Calculate total is true. Class boss A, all valid. But class boss A? That'll crash your code. Now, let's dive into something super exciting. Let's talk about literals. These are just fixed values right there in your code, like little treasures waiting to be discovered. First up, we have numeric literals. Can you believe it? We've got integers like 42, classic and reliable. Then there's the stunning floating point numbers like 3.14. Oh, so smooth. And let's not forget about complex numbers like 2 plus 3j. How fascinating. Binary values are here too, like 011 row 1, so intriguing. And oh my, hexadecimal like 0xff, just dazzling. Now let's talk about string literals, shall we? You've got single quotes, hello, so simple yet effective. Double quotes, world, giving us that extra flair. And, oh, those triple quotes for multi-line text, they are a game changer. Plus, raw strings like rc part new path are just fantastic for file paths. Finally, we arrive at Boolean and special literals. Can you feel the excitement? We've got true and false to bring logic to life. And don't forget none. That magical representation of absolutely nothing at all. These literals, my friends, are the very building blocks of your code. They're simple, yet oh so powerful, and they're absolutely everywhere. Oh, and now the next one is operators. Have you ever stopped to think about how Python really works? It's all about those operators, the magic ingredients behind every calculation, every comparison, and every little decision your code makes. First up, we have the arithmetic operators. These are your essential math tools that you just can't live without. For addition, we have plus. 10 plus 5 equals a fabulous 15. Then there's, for subtraction, 10 5 gives us a delightful 5. And don't forget, for multiplication, 10 5 gives a whopping 50. Now, for division, we use plus. 10 plus 2 gives us a smooth 5. And when you want power, you use 2 3 equals a mighty 8. Moving on to comparison operators. These are like your best friends in comparison. Plus means equal, so simple. Means not equal, easy peasy. Plus is greater than, oh yes. Puck is less than, you got it. Pluxthink is greater or equal, and Puckthink is less or equal. Let's dive into the world of logical operators, shall we? So, listen up. These little gems are what combine our conditions. First up, we have and. Oh, it's a big deal. That means both must be true, folks. If even one isn't, well, then we're out of luck. Then we have or, such a lifesaver. It means either one is enough. Can you believe it? Just one of them can get the job done. And don't forget about not. Oh, it's a game changer. It flips the truth value on its head. Today, we're diving into the magical secret sauce of structure delimiters. Delimiters are like the punctuation marks that make your code sing, helping Python understand exactly what belongs where. Think of them as the grammar of your code, guiding you through each line. Let's break them down, shall we? Parentheses, those lovely little friends we use in functions and tuples. Square brackets, oh, they're perfect for our beloved lists. Curly braces, the cozy homes for dictionaries and sets. Commas, those charming separators that keep our items apart. Colons, the exciting starters for code blocks like loops or functions. Semicolons, the rare gems that separate statements. See how each delimiter shapes the very meaning of your code? If you've learned something new, oh my goodness! Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's just itching to dive into the world of coding.